Hello everyone! So for today's video, we are here on the Kaiping Hills. So ang mga kauban ko rin ang mga sisterets ng mga bijag naong, namely Ginny Abria and Junami Abria. So mauni ang view sa Kaiping Hills and we are up to getting some guabas in the Kaiping Hills kay ingo daghan man jud kana mga bayabas ning Kaiping Hills bisan pa sa una murag ang mga tao sa kapartidusan mukatkat kabilya na bayot labi ba kasi ko andra. So look at the surroundings. So before katong wa pay udet ug wa pa ni gidaro ning lugar, it was such a breathtaking view, but unfortunately after sa katong gidaro na ang Kaiping Hills kani diri dagan ang pugon. Pero sa una mga Carabao grass ra to dya ang kanay sa view dira kay tinaw o pa ng mga lubi-lubingan. And so that's it. Ang saman wa man ni mga hakhak na bay sa kilid video ada torjo na may kat na kapriso ni bajiha. So I think ala wa na naguba ya madidar ka ng forest nag-apple wa mo galit panghugas na. Yes, that's right. We are really marginalized right now. That's why instead of you know kanang staying at our house ano naman na live up na matay for marginalized. Jimaji barman na nga na barong inagkuan jimaji mga kay kamo yung kag poor di man na si Jackay di man na acceptable kuno kay kung ato ka sa ubang country kung anon makakanay na makag harsh kuno mo naman ka na marginalized para politically accepted. Yes, that's it, Ginny. Ha? Maragod si may gali kag bangay kag bungol bawal magay kamay og bungol sa gawas kuno kana mga deaf kuno mga hearing impaired. Kung away po ka na, you are so ugly sa like lugar di po po pwede dapat mo ka. You are such aesthetically challenged. Yan na lang maray. Aesthetically challenged. Masa dira na? Mama tingay nga ka ng di po grabe po. Kuan na tali na dira ka ng mga pakudos unsa na inang isut yung pakudos pakuuno mauilab tigbaw so hopefully dili mi we will be able to go home safely kay basig kuan mi who knows someone might stab in our because you know there's a lot of possibilities in life and we should be really cautious no kay we don't know how life will turn out. Bitaw pa ni si Jess sa una. So a little tips if you are going okay na makapagkuan. Is it a wrong turn? Oh my gosh. Yun sama na. Asi ni Willie di ay. Kung saan ba itong giari na? Nagdangani matalita. Maabot na makatas maanyag ani.
Abot tagluwan, buang na. Luwan naman ano.
Ang saka na luwan.
Katong blue green.
a little reminder, guys, if you're going to travel into a mountains or the forest, you should be very careful with the surroundings because you might step on. Ano man? Bayabas? Unfortunately, there's no guava anymore. So look, the surrounding was already been conflagrated. Conflagrated, catch fire, conflagrated na kaya ron, jima. So, no.
Basik tapos ano.
Unahan lang, basta ito. So, the surroundings is not on the same state anymore. It's been wrecked by the conflagration. Conflagration. So, and thankfully na pay bayabas gamay. Niwa ko an naman.
Sunod ba nagko na ba?
Asa pa naman nagko.
Ay, matutas ubong pinto da diri.
Sige. Pwede nga ito dapat sa kapablita mga agi.
Arang ka. Dita kay arang ka. Lap out.
So guys, so our adventure for today is kind of risky kay basigma. Someone might kill us here because I've heard a lot of stories. There might be kita na gatong manggukudiri Kita ba to ba? Di, uy, taka. Uberto. So there might be someone who are So you should be aware because we don't know that there might be a cannibal here and we will end up being chopped by them. So you should be really cautious. Yeah. Ang content ra good.
Ay title anak.
Wrong turn. Imo ititle nila kanang kuan. We found a wrong turn na cannibal.
Onja ang imo pong thumbnail. Naka na
Na wrong turn. Bitaw na mo pa kanara.
Onja ang imo pong naong.
So, as what I said, ganihan no, we should be really careful because you might step on a snake. And there's a lot of possibility that the snake that you are kanang kuan is mga black mamba, cobra. So you should be really careful because in just one bite you are going to die. Wala kahibaw, okay? Basta hindi ka nang travel. Langwis ka dagatan. Oh yeah, there's a big possibility that there is also an anaconda here where will be basig maswallowed tas anaconda. O takaybaw. Wala takaybaw sa kuan. So I think that would be all. That would be the end of this video because we haven't found any guavas around. So that would be the end.
Ay di
Uy, naaday ko no. So, our video will end like this. Through all the efforts and the hard work that we did, we only found one guava.
One
So, that's it.